Today our topic is states of matter. Under this topic we are going to discuss what matter is, how many states of matter are there, what are their properties, and why these states show those properties. So let's start. The first thing is we are going to discuss is what matter is. Anything in the universe that occupies space and carries weight is called as matter. There are many different states of matter, but our main focus will be on the three states: solid, liquid and gases. What are the properties of solid, liquid and gases? We are going to discuss their properties and we'll see the difference between these three states. In the solids, the particles are compactly packed. In the liquid, there are small spaces among them, and in the gases, they have large spaces between them. So they are very far away from each other. Talking about their properties, if we discuss the shape, then the solids have fixed shape. The liquids and the gases doesn't have fixed shape. Talking about the volume, solids have fixed volume. Even liquids are having the fixed volume, but the gases don't have the fixed volume. What does that mean? That means that gases can occupy as much volume as available to them. Like if you are spraying a perfume bottle in a corner of a room, then you will smell it in the other corner. Why? Because the particles of the gases collided with each other and with the air particles and occupy all the available space. So the volume of the gases are not fixed. And the compressibility. The third property is compressibility. The solids cannot be compressed. The solids and liquids cannot be compressed because the particles are having negligible spaces in the solids, like no spaces. They are very compactly packed. But in the liquid, the little spaces are present. Even then, they cannot be compressed. But in the gases, when large spaces are present, so they can be easily compressed. The next point is why these three states of matter are showing these properties like shape, volume and compressibility. We are going to discuss that reasoning in terms of their arrangement of particles and the bonding. Arrangement of particles in the solid, liquids and gases, and the attractive forces between them. In the solids, as you can see from the diagram, the particles are very close to each other. There are not enough spaces that they can move randomly. So they can just they are fixed at their position and they just vibrate like this. So the particles, the arrangement of particles in solid is, they are tightly packed. What about the attractive forces? Very strong attractive forces in the solid particles. In the liquids, the arrangement of particles is they are loosely packed, there are spaces between them, and weaker attractive forces as compared to the solids. But in case of the gases, the particles are very far from each other, so the arrangement that is not fixed. They are moving randomly from one place to the other place. And the attractive forces, they have zero attractive forces between the particles of the gas. So let's review the whole lecture. We discussed the states of the matter. First of all, we discussed what matter is. Then we discussed how many states of matter. Our main focus was on three states: solid, liquid and gases. We discussed what the properties these solid, liquid and gases are showing. And then at the end, we discussed why these properties are shown by solid, liquid and gases in terms of their arrangement of particles and attractive forces. If you have any query, you can write down in the comment section. I will try to answer it. And please like and subscribe my channel. I'm trying to bring the very basic concepts to those students who feel shy to ask these basic things from their teacher, so they can come here on my channel and they can listen and learn. Together we are going to explore and together we are going to learn. Thank you so much. I'll see you again.